Good morning, I hope you're all okay. Welcome back to another video. Now, this is an unboxing video. I don't normally do unboxing videos for two reasons. Firstly, if you're looking for something, you want to buy something off the internet, blah, 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 you can look at reviews. The first place you go is YouTube. And you can pretty much guarantee that someone, somewhere, has done an unboxing video on something. So I don't tend to bother. Second reason is, really can't be asked, to be honest with you. But I'm going to make an exception in this case because I was looking for a Bluetooth speaker and I was looking for a review on particular units, which one's best, and I've decided on the Anker Soundcore 2. So I was looking for review videos of that and I couldn't find one anywhere. So I thought I'd do one on this. So here we have my current Bluetooth speaker, which is a Polaroid one that I got from Asda about 5 years ago for about 15 quid. And I've got to admit, it's all right. It's okay. I'm still using it. If you can see in there, it's got a couple of speakers in the end, one in the middle. It's relatively loud, answers phone calls, battery lasts a long time. Quite pleased with it. Can't really grumble. However, it's looking a bit of a mess. Keep it in my garage. Take it outside if I'm doing the gardening, washing the car, etc, etc. Wanted something a bit smarter, so explains the reason for a new shiny one to keep in the house. So let's crack it open. There's not going to be many surprises with what's inside this box. Hopefully there's going to be a Bluetooth speaker, some way of charging it and some instructions. This particular speaker has got two 6-watt drivers, bigger bass. As long as it makes a noise, the sound's fairly good and the battery lasts a long time. Oh, I'm really fussed, to be honest. But apparently the battery lasts for 24 hours playtime. It's never going to be on for 24 hours. But let's open this cellophane here. Now, I know you're probably watching this thinking, God, he's made a meal of that, hasn't he? But I do like to keep my packaging as nice as possible. Because if I want to sell it on, I can put it back in the box. Oh, look, there's the instructions. Happy? Not happy. Customer service teams. Contact information. Owner's manual. I'll have a jolly good read of that later. And inside the box is the speaker wrapped up in this nice little envelope. And there we go. Now, first impressions is pretty nice actually. These are retailing for, at the moment, 40 quid on Amazon. The feeling of it is really soft rubber. Can't really see any gaps in it, so I imagine it's splash proof. In the side here we've got a little door where you've got your micro USB charging port and a auxiliary in. On the top we've got a power button, minus, play button, plus, and that would probably be Bluetooth sync button. And that's about it. 4 little feet on the bottom. I really like it. It's nice. Let's get it charged up and see what it sounds like. Oh, I forgot to mention what else is in the box. So, accessories. What that should actually say is accessory. And it's not really an accessory, it's an essential part of the device. It's just a little charging cable. That's a lot. Right, well, it charged fairly quickly. Now, I'll just go through some of the buttons on the top. The quality of it is fabulous, better than I expected, to be honest, for a relatively cheap speaker. These buttons are fairly positive. Makes a nice whooshing noise when you turn it on and off. Now, to pair it with your device, it is just a quick 2-second press on the Bluetooth button, and then find it on your device. I have got here a, oh, there we go, that shows you that it's connected. Got a Huawei P8 Lite, and I'll just play an audio track to give you some idea of the sound of this, but I must admit I've been testing it and it's really good. Really impressed. There we go, as you can tell, I don't know how it comes across in the video, but you'll have to take my word for it. I'm quite a trustworthy person. Brilliant. I can highly recommend it at the minute. There's no issues. So yeah, there you go. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my videos. There's plenty more videos to come. I know that people are waiting videos on the TIG one. I am struggling to get around to editing those, but I will do them in the near future, I promise. And give it a thumbs up, guys. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. And I'm back. Yeah, sorry about that. Just a bit of an update really on this little Anker. I've had it a few weeks since I filmed that last video, and I've got to say it has performed flawlessly. It's the summer in the UK at the minute, so we've had this in the garden a lot. Our garden's probably 150 foot, something like that, and it hasn't missed literally a beat, for want of a better phrase. I've noticed on the Polaroid camera, which currently has now been permanently relegated to garage, that I've got a little bit of distortion on it sometimes. The sound sounded like it was up and down and very wavy and just not true, but this has performed flawlessly. It's brilliant. We took it away with us. It works brilliantly in the house, upstairs, downstairs, doesn't matter how far away from it you are, you can hear it, the sound's great. So 40 quid, I think it's come down a little bit since I bought it, but yeah, I can highly recommend the Anker Soundcore 2. And Anker, if you're listening, if you want to send me some more speakers for me to try, then please do so, get in touch. The only other thing I can say is that since the initial charge, I haven't had to charge this again, so I don't know what it's running on, but believe me, the battery lasts a hell of a long time. So there we go. That really is the end of the video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.